My name's Thad Braxton. I'm from Boulder, Colorado, and I've been scooting for like 20 years, but birding for 1 year. My inspirations in life are Elon Musk and Tony Hawk. They shred so hard. I'm a Fortnite streamer, and I'm also a pro competitive Roblox player. I love Roblox. And I also go to cloud chasing competitions, and I won first place last time. So, yeah.
Hey guys, my name is Zanya Perry. I'm Thad's girlfriend. Thad and I actually met down at the first biannual bird competition down in Inverness, Florida. That's where I'm actually from, and I was just at the bird competition because, you know, it's pretty hype. I was sitting up there in the stands looking down, and Thad was so hot doing those tricks down there. Oh my gosh. Coincidentally, we ran into each other at the local vape shop down in Florida. The rest is history. But anyways, I'm pretty excited to perform my first comp here in Memphis, Tennessee, because I've really been perfecting my skills and I'm pretty good now. I zoom.
What's going on? I'm Carl Garcia. I'm from Lancaster, California, and I guess you could say I'm a child prodigy when it comes to birding. My parents forced me into birding when I was really young, and ever since then I've just been getting better and better. I've come to the biannual birding competition many times, but you know, this time's different. I heard Thad Braxton's going to be there, so I got to step up my game quite a bit. I don't actually go to Memphis. I just buy a tracksuit from whatever city I'm in just so I can, you know, get in with the locals, you know what I mean? The way you win is by, you know, brown-nosing the locals. Is that Thad Braxton? And no, I don't.
Are these the lame limes that I've been hearing all about? I bet Kyle rides these.
Damn, it's getting kind of hot out here.
Did Thad say I ride lime? I don't ride lime. If you ride lime, then f*** you.
We're out here in Memphis, Tennessee for the second biannual bird competition.
It's our first day out here, so I'm pretty hyped to show off what we got and check out the competition.
It's gonna be sick. Yeah, I go pretty fast.
This bird has been reported damaged. Must be repaired.
Huh?
We're out here in Memphis for the second biannual bird competition.
Is there more?
No, that's it.
What's up? My name's Thad Braxton. I'm from Boulder, Colorado, and I've been birding for years.